Alrighty, hello and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today I have the highlights from case N. Yes it is. Yeah. Yum yum. Without further ado, let's start with this here. This is the recolor of the DiMacchinni Veloce, and I really love this color. Yes it is. This is beautiful. Yup. Kasiloose. There you go. With sort of like a deep red, almost like a maroon, but that got a Castrol, Firestone, DiMacchinni. This is a beautiful casting, fantasy casting. Yup. And you can see the spare tire at the back there, inside the car. That is awesome. I also love the wheels there. Yup. So there you go, DiMacchinni Veloce. Next one, new to the case, which is the 68 Mercury Cougar in a very beautiful blue there. Got a Castrol and everything. Wow. Under the Muscle Mania track stars actually. Yep. Kasiloose. Look at that. That is awesome. Goodyear, Castrol, Mercury Cougar. Wow. Love the livery seat here. Yup. Got the chrome base. That is awesome. Yup. Loving this, definitely. Yes it is. Next we're going for, well, it's a repeat from the M case, but I haven't do a kasiloose, and here it is. Appears also in the N case, the Lancia Delta Integrale under the Rally Champs in British green, but this is a metal flake green. Wow, kasiloose. And here you go, look at that. Also got the Castrol, Ibach, Sparko. Nice green there, metal flake green. Got sort of like a tan interior. Nice aero wheels there. Look at that. There's a headlights. Nothing on the tail light because we got the side decoration. Rally Champs. I think one of the best subset in this year's main line. Yes it is. Awesome. Lancia Delta Integrale. Next one, also a repeat from the M case, the Toyota Supra. Oh, somebody like this, right? The red Toyota Supra. Kasiloose. There you go, under the then and now. So we're going to expect a Toyota GR Supra next, the 2020 Toyota GR Supra maybe. Yes it is. It's been a while we've seen this casting in the main line. Yup. So we got the side liveries there, the headlights, Toyota logo, but of course nothing on the tail lights. Yup. Blackout wheels. Beautiful. Yes it is. Nice. That's a Toyota Supra. Next one, also under the then and now, the Corvette C6R, a companion with the C8R, right? Corvette C8R. So this is the previous version, the C6R. Nice kasiloose. There you go, look at that. Got the headlights in front, beautiful shade of blue with white and red striping there. Nothing on the tail lights, of course. This is awesome. It's been a while since this casting, right? Okay, look at that, 2021. So is this a new casting? I don't believe this is a new casting, so there must be they surely have done some retool on the original casting. You guys can comment down below. Is this totally a new casting or a retool, a remodel? You can see a one-seater there. That is awesome. So look at that. 2021 as a confirmation. Corvette C6R. Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Next one. Now this is definitely a new casting. The Max Steel with a very familiar liveries there. We've seen a couple of this type of liveries before. On the mod rod, on the what is it called? Frankenstein? Not a Frankensteiner. Erikenstein rod, and now got a Max Steel. Look at that, beautiful. Kasiloose. There you go, Max Steel. The sort of like a blue gunmetal sort of. Max Steel, very rod like car. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Big engine there. Got a sort one-seater. That is awesome. Yes, it is. For those who like the rod style, this is great. The engine is chrome, which is looking awesome. Yup. Max Steel, nice, definitely nice. Next one, look at that, a recolor of the 47 Chevy Fleetline, previously in a moon ice yellow, now in matte black or solid black, which really shows the detail on this one. Wow. Kasiloose. There you go. Here's the Fleetline. Look at that. Moon, Goodyear. You got the silver trimmings on the side, which looks awesome on the hood. Got a red, yellow interior there. This looks sick. Absolutely fantastic for the moon eyes. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Awesome. Yup. That's the Chevy Fleetline. Next one. A new casting, the Lotus Evija. Not sure how do you pronounce it. I guess it's Evija for me. That is awesome. Kasiloose. There you go, green and yellow with a transparent top there. That is awesome. Look at that. The yellow part is part of the interior, using the Trap 5. No, this is not the Trap. It is not a Trap 5. Is it a Trap 5 wheels? No, maybe not. But it's a blackout wheels, which is definitely awesome. Yes, it is. So you got the headlights, and look at that. Wow, that's crazy looking. Yes, it is. That is awesome. That is definitely awesome. There's the Lotus Evija. Just push it up a bit at the back there. Now we come to the last three. I'm going to show you this one first because this is awesome. Yup, the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon, looking like a solid color, but nope. And I will show you what I meant. Kasih loose. There you go. Focus it a bit. Got a sort of like a chrome interior. At the back there you can see a dog looking out. Beautiful tail lights, HW drift. Got the plastic insert as a headlights there. Chrome grille, part of the interior, which is awesome. So you can see the engine there. Yup. On the side, let me sort of give you a glimpse. You can see that sort of like a ghost, what is it called? It's a ghost liveries. You have to point it into the light to see what it says. Got the wagon, Hot Wheels, drift at the back, 240. That is awesome. See that? Sort of like in the Batmobile, I think, is doing sort of like a ghost liveries, phantom liveries. Look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. For mismatched wheels, as if it is a drift wagon, which looks cool in itself. Definitely a Hot Wheels casting. Wow, nice. There you go for the whole Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. A candidate for the best new casting this year, definitely. Another new casting, the Pagani Zonda R. Look at that. That is awesome. Kasih loose. There you go with a solid black or matte black, gold rims there. Zonda R on the side, gold trims, green strap on the hood. You can see the detail of the headlights. Wow, that is awesome. Nothing on the tail lights there. On the wings is Pagani. This looks awesome, definitely. Yes, it is. Wow, it's so low there. Chef kiss, definitely. Wow. Awesome. Pagani Zonda R. And the last one. First time in my life getting two regular treasure hunts, and it's one of the best regular treasure hunts around. The white 98 Subaru Imprezza 22B STI version. Look at that, white, and there's the logo. Yup, kasih loose. For confirmation, yup. And here's the car. Ryu design, 56 HW Rally. At the back there, white with a gold rims. Got the headlights tempered there with a signal lights also. That is awesome. The white kind of make it hard to see the details on it, kind of blend through. Yep. And also there's a sort of like a scuff mark, which kind of bummed actually for a regular treasure hunt. See that? There's a scuff mark on the hood, on the top there. But this is awesome. Yes, it is one of the best regular treasure hunts around. hands down, definitely. Yep, so there you go. And case highlights, which I believe the case is loaded. Loving this, loving these highlights here. So what do you guys think? Drop your comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want, give a thumbs up. Awesome. Talk to you guys later. See you soon. Bye.